So today I got a squishy package. Hey, I already did my intro. Today I got a squishy package, so here it is. It's very small, as you can tell, because I only ordered one thing, and I cut it open, but I did not look at the squishy. And I might make packaging for this because I have like this duck felt, and it's a duck squishy. But let's just open it. Okay. So freaking excited right now. Oh my god, it's huge. I thought it would be way smaller, guys. Like, this is huge. Okay, so she wrapped it in like this like package thing. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. It's so soft. It's really textured. It is so soft. And then it comes with this cell phone strap. It's so kawaii too. Okay. Wow. I thought it would be a full body, but it's like a cake bread thing. And I'll put the seller's name down below. And this was shipped all the way from China, which is pretty far away. It took like 5 weeks to come, but or like 3 weeks, but I'm surprised. It came pretty early. This is so cute. And I'll put the seller's name down below because he sells amazing squishies. I mean, she sells amazing squishies, and she sold amazing squishies, and they're really cheap too. This was $2, guys. $2. I had to get it. It was so cute. Oh, and it's supposed to smell, so. It has a very faint smell. It smells like, this. Let me get it. It smells like this donut squishy. But that's okay, because, like, it actually smells like a croissant. It smells good. It's really textured on the back, too. And I have never seen this small of a package. But I've never ordered a small package before. But, like, I'm gonna put it back in here. Or I'll just keep it in. It's so soft, and it feels really nice. This is awesome. Oh my god. I'll put the seller's name down below. And as I said before, and I'll also will put the price of this, which was $2, or it was $1.98. And also, you're probably wondering, well, there's like shipping too, but the shipping was free. There was free shipping, and then it comes with the cell phone strap. So go order by them now. Sorry, my face is all like shiny. Sorry for the bad lighting. Sorry if I look really tan and horrible right now. I just got back. Sorry, I can't stop squishing it. I just got back from Chicago. And I would have done this video earlier, but I didn't know the squishy package was coming today. Like, I was like, oh, it's probably not gonna come today. Like, I was like hoping, like, please come today. And then I looked in the mailbox and I saw this small package, which you would probably think was like a bill or something, like. But then, oh, I also crossed out my address so you guys can't see it. But then, see, this is the China post office. Like, I can't understand anything on this. Like, all of this is Chinese. But squishies are like from Japan and stuff, so this is so kawaii. It's so kawaii. Even this little finger is squishy. And I didn't but then I knew this was my squishy package because I have been like, I ordered a small thing, so I knew it was like going to be my squishy package. So, also, I'm very sorry this is a short video. I dropped something, dropped the packaging to it. but it was I only ordered one squishy. Oh my god, I just dropped it. I only ordered one squishy, but I don't know why. I still wanted to do a video on it because I was super excited, and I don't know when the next time I'm gonna order a squishy package gonna be. Probably in a while. And the next time I'm gonna get squishies is probably till Christmas, which is in like 6 months. Yeah, 6 months. I'm not gonna wait 6 months to do a squishy package opening kind of thing. And I was really excited for the squishy to come. I don't know why. Just something about it just made me really excited. It's just so cute. And it actually smells like a croissant. Maybe it like lost its smell in the package because it probably had a faint smell. It's so textured. I wonder what brand this is from. I really do wonder. If you guys know, comment down below. And also comment if you want more squishy package openings. And also comment down, sorry, I'm asking you so many things, but comment down. Comment down recommended squishies you think I should buy and the seller's name. So I might buy or comment your seller name, and I might buy squishies from you and do a squishy package opening. Definitely want to do more of these. They're really fun and like exciting because I can show my reaction like on camera, live and stuff. And yeah, so thank you so much for the seller for giving this to me. It's amazing. Bye guys.